Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the questions I get asked regularly is Cortana in Windows 11, is it better than in Windows 10? And why doesn't it do what it did in the past? And there's multiple things happening with Cortana on Windows, and one of them is that Cortana has been changed from what it used to be at the beginning. When Windows 10 came out, they wanted Cortana to be, Google Assistant or Siri. They wanted to have the equivalent of the other assistants that we have. And of course, that changed over time. And it changed mainly because they noticed that people weren't using Cortana and that it was not something that was really catching on. So Cortana today is more of a Clippy style assistant. For those that remember the old Clippy from Microsoft Office, it's there to try to help you in what is your everyday life and how to manage everything and make appointments, stuff like that. It's a really different thing than it was in the past. It's an assistant that's trying to help you manage your workflow on a computer or devices. And that also, I don't think, is really doing a really good job at it. It might work well in certain things, but I mean, people aren't using it. So one of the things that happens is Windows 11 does have Cortana, but it's the same Cortana that you have in Windows 10. It doesn't do more. It doesn't, and there's tons of things that it used to do that it doesn't do anymore. So I personally think Cortana will slowly fade away, and at some point maybe even be deprecated or removed. I would guess, because I don't think this is ever going to catch on. The funny part of the story about Cortana is we learned in an interview that Steve Ballmer, when he was CEO of Microsoft, wanted to name Cortana Bingo. And of course that made me laugh. I would have laughed my head off in seeing that there's an assistant called Bingo in Windows. And the reason Bingo is because of Bing. So it was associated with Bing, as Cortana is also. And they thought, well, Bingo. So thank God to other people that said, no, I don't think that's a good name, including Satya Nadella, that apparently came in and probably never talked about Bingo ever again. Definitely Cortana was a much better and much more interesting name for the assistant. But as for the future of Cortana, I don't think it really does have a future for now. And you won't have a better Cortana in Windows 11, that's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.